are two things that you need in order to upgrade your Wi-Fi network. So first you need a router, which is I got one here, which is Wi-Fi 6. It is an AX1800 dual band or RT-AX55. It's from ASUS. It's Wi-Fi 6 compatible. And lastly, we have here our PCIe network card, which is Wi-Fi 6 compatible. So I bought it from Shopee. Here's the price. It is an AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 X-Gen dual band, and here is the router. I'll put the link in the description. So let's get upgrading.